guys, so today I have an Ulta and Sephora haul for you. I know I've been telling you guys wait for my Ulta haul, and I thought I placed an order on Ulta online for Black Friday and like Cyber Monday, but it was actually at Sephora. I know I shopped at both places and I had a cart for both, but I think I just bit the bullet on Sephora only just because I had a gift card and I was trying to save money, and since I did so much damage at Ulta in store, I was just like, you know what, we'll do both stores. I don't know why I forgot that, but that's what happened. So I was waiting for this package, and that's why it's been a week already since I placed this order. But I just want to show you what I got. So I'll start off with Sephora, and the first thing I got was this BECCA Prime Set and Glow Kit. It looks like this. I'm really excited about it because I haven't really tried any BECCA cosmetics. I'm such a drugstore girl that it takes a lot for me to spend money on like higher end makeup, especially if it's kind of out of my price range. I mean, I know that I could purchase like one or two, but I like trying a variety of things and getting more for my money versus like one product at a time. Not a lot of people are like me, but that's how I am. But I think that this is super duper cute. So what comes in it is this BECCA First Light Priming Filter. It looks like this. I was excited that it came with that. It's kind of, I want to say a full-size product because I feel like most stuff comes like this. Then I have the BECCA HYDRA Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Excited to try this as well. This one is kind of the two more boring products in the pack, but what I really wanted was the BECCA Champagne Pop Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder. It's so tiny. Do you see how cute that is? But I have so many highlighters already that I'm fine with this size. But this is a cult classic here on YouTube, and that shade is stunning, and I'm excited to own a little itty bitty one, to be honest with you guys, just to try things out. That's all this was, are like little holiday gift sets that are super cute. So it's kind of like a holiday gift guide at the same time, if you wanted to see what the actual products look like inside if you're shopping online. Then I grabbed this Tarte High Performance Naturals Party Time Trio. It is $15 US, $41 retail value. And then this one's like really cute packaging because it has the little tag on the back to write to and from, so you don't even have to like wrap it up if you don't want to. But I got this for me, of course, because again, I want to try high-end makeup on a budget. Everything's wrapped up in tissue paper too, so it makes it extra pretty and nice. But I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I love the packaging of this. It's just so adorable, and I haven't tried this, so I was excited about that. I also got the Tarte Blush in Partay. It's an Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Also really freaking cute. I feel like this is perfect because it takes me a while to use up things, and this one doesn't have a mirror, but I feel like that's right up my alley too, so excited to try that. And then I got their Tarte H2O Gloss in the shade, it looks like it says Ribbon on the back, R-I-B-B-N, but I'm not really sure of the shade, but it looks like this. I am going to swatch this one. Ooh, that's a pretty like coral natural nude color. I think I will really, really like that. So excited and super adorable. This would be perfect for like a to-go bag too, just saying. But I feel like it's a treat yourself moment, and it's super duper cute. Especially if someone in your life doesn't have high-end makeup, this is like a little dabble in it, and it makes them feel super cool because they're getting name brand cosmetics that normally they probably wouldn't get, if that's the case. Next up, I got this gift set. It was $15. All of these were a little bit slightly cheaper though because of the sale, I just want to say, point out. But I think I spent $45 on all of these products that I'm showing you from Sephora. So it was a lot cheaper than what I'm showing you, but this is like what it says retail value was. So $15. It's the IT CC Plus Soul Matte Duo Oil-Free Skin Loving Complexion Must-Haves. It includes the oil-free matte and poreless Finish Full Coverage Cream, SPF 40, and then the primer as well, the IT Cosmetics Primer Stay All Day. So I thought that was a super cute kit. I've been wanting to try this like CC cream forever because people swear by it. And since I've been more oily, I didn't go for the regular. I went for the matte, but it's a good size. And I'm super excited to try this with you guys on camera, of course. And then I got the itty bitty little primer. I don't know if this is a regular size, but I'm pretty sure it's like a sample size. But still, good amount of product there. Next up, I just got this blinding, beautiful neon palette. It's by Huda Beauty. I don't own any of her makeup either. This was like a first time for me, but how pretty is the packaging? I love it. But the shades, I had to choose this one out of all of them because I've been eyeing this like yellow lime color. These beautiful shades here are beautiful and I just want to try them and see how they do. I just am a sucker for these colors, and I feel like this and this one are a little bit more out of my comfort zone, that shade as well, but still pretty fun and something that I don't feel like I have all together in one palette. So I was excited to get this and see how it is. So I'll test that out as well, but this was really fun packaging. So that's everything from Sephora, and now we're gonna go on to Ulta. Okay, so first up I grabbed lashes, and I grabbed the ARDELL Magnetic Accents because I've been dying to try these magnetic lashes, and I pulled them out to try them like by myself as soon as I bought them because I was so interested. So that's why I too have like kind of fallen, and I kind of failed. And I kind of want to do a video of me getting it right or trying to get it right, just because I feel like it'll be a fun learning process and just fun to watch me fail. So let me know if you guys want to see that, but I might do it anyway. I don't know. I am going to definitely play with these because this is a lot of fun, and I've seen people do it pretty easily. I don't know if I got the correct kind, but I'm going to like have to watch some more YouTube videos on how to apply them because it's kind of fun and interesting, and I really want to be able to do that. In store, I picked up the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer by IT Cosmetics. So I have the CC cream from Sephora, but I bought the concealer at Ulta. And yeah, I just figured that would be a fun video to do both. So that's why I grabbed that. I grabbed the Ulta Beauty Natural Glow Matte Bronzer because they had a sale on Ulta as they usually do. So grab that because I haven't tried any of their bronzer products. I also grabbed the Ulta Beauty Sculpting Brow Pencil in medium brown because I've been super into brow pencils and I want to try this one. And y'all know that I always shop at CVS, but at Ulta they had Wet n Wild products that I haven't seen at CVS. So I've seen them online, but I just never ordered them online or anything like that. I guess because Wet n Wild is more drugstore that I never purchased it online. I would just purchase it in store. But I grabbed their SNOWMELT lip powder in the shade Blizzard Berry, and I'm intrigued because I haven't actually tried a lip powder, so maybe I have, I don't know, I don't remember, but let me swatch it for you guys. Ew, that's a weird consistency, but that's a really pretty mauve shade and I'm into it, so I figured this would be the most useful color to try it out with. And then I grabbed their jelly collection, so I grabbed their jelly eyeshadow in the shade Code Red. Super cute packaging all around. And then there's like a little sifter to keep it, since it's liquidy, from coming out. But I'm so excited to try this. I don't want to open it because I want to try it out on camera with you guys. But I also got their jelly highlighter, and this is in the shade Blaze and Glaze. Looks like this. Super excited to try this out as well. Does this one have it? I'm going to leave this one open just because I want to see. Ooh, it's a blinding highlight. Oh yes, that is pretty blinding. So I'm excited to try this out. It's got to be kind of just like a wet highlighter. But, you know, this consistency is what's cool about it. So figured I would try it since, again, my CVS has never carried it. I'm not sure why, but super duper cute. This was on clearance. It's by I Love Revolution, and it's the Fixing Spray in Guava and Rose. It's just super cute packaging, and since it was only a couple of dollars, I figured I would try it. Let me see. Yes, it smells really good. So, I don't know. I'll let y'all know if this is any good as well. And then I want to try some new hair care stuff because, I don't know, Frizz is my nemesis, and so I'm trying to do everything to combat that and be really good about my hair, because I feel like in the last year to 2 years I've been kind of lazy. I'll do like all out makeup, but hair is just like, that takes so much time and so much work and so much effort, and then I'm probably gonna mess it up anyways because I always put my hair back. So I'm trying to be really good about keeping my hair down, and I'm trying to keep myself accountable for that. So to give myself no excuses, I'm gonna be trying a whole bunch of hair care items just to see what works. So I grabbed this BIOTIN Boost, thickens and detangles hair. It's 5-in-1 leave-in spray. It's free of sulfates and parabens. What is the 5 things that it does? It says 5 amazing benefits: thickens and adds body, provides thermal protection, controls frizz and adds shine, prevents breakage, and detangles and moisturizes. It's also by the brand HASK, HASK, but I have high hopes for this, so I will let you guys know. And last but not least, I grabbed this HASK Argan Oil from Morocco. They had a buy one get one half situation, so that's why I got this one. And this is the Repairing Shine Hair Oil. Again, to get rid of frizz, to make my hair look shinier and better and stay in place and fortify everything. Because I still want to keep the length, and since I colored it, I don't want to damage my hair, so I'm trying to do everything to strengthen it and keep it looking nice. So that's everything I bought. I feel like I thought I did more damage in Ulta. I don't know why. I feel like I shopped way too much this weekend and it's all a blur. But that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye!